Hi, I'm going to update you Bitcoin. We have some exciting news and we have also some news that may worry you a little bit. So welcome to YM channel. This channel is about money strategy and money mindset. If you like this kind of topic, please click like and subscribe and share with your friend and join my free email list. So now we're looking at the Bitcoin USD weekly chart. So you can see this one is one of our moving average. This moving average is moving average 21. So you can make a setting for this. So every single time when the Bitcoin above this line, basically when the price action above this line serve as a support line. When they go hit this line, they bounce up, okay? When the price action go below this line, they serve as a resistance line. So you can see what happens just this week. What happened is we have a big candle just bounce up when they hit MA21 weekly chart. Okay, this is our moving average 21. And in one of my previous video, I've mentioned another moving average, which is also very important on our weekly chart, is moving average 200. You can watch back that video. So now you can see when we go, you can see one is the direction of the moving average. When they turning up, this is our bull market, okay? When they go above, and then we will have one wave of going up, okay? So this is we go above, we just hit this moving average as a resistance, as a support line. So you can see, and then they hit all the way up again. So now we are on around 330K right now, okay? So the next chart I'm going to look at is this one. Bitcoin USD, and I want you to look at this one, the trend ribbon. So basically we are still in one of my class, basically I will teach you one of the strategy how to buy with this. Basically the red is our bull market, our green is our bear market. So we are still in the zone green, but remember this one is monthly chart, so this candle is not yet closed. So let's see, will they close above this green ribbon? And let's look at the weekly chart. This is our weekly chart. So in one of our strategy, I will teach you how to buy with this indicator. And now this week, basically, the best buying time is this candle and this candle. And now this is the second candle after this candle. So when we are in the red zone, we have some opportunity to buy, okay, when they're touching the red zone. But they have some special way to buy, of course. So let's look at the daily chart. The daily chart is right now we are changing from the green to red. So you can see it's a bit far for you if you are a short-term investor, because it's already the cut-loss price is really, really far away. So, and also I want you to be careful. We have the next resistance point around 30.6K. So if we look at the the weekly chart, so our momentum, is it very strong? I will tell you the next, but we have a resistance here around 30.6K, basically somewhere here, okay? Somewhere here. So we just touching it right now. We're still below this resistance point. So let's look at, lately I have mentioned some free tips about how to trade with the Bollinger Bands. So if you have watched that video, you would know this candle is one of the good point to buy, which is on Monday. Okay, they go above this middle line. The mouth is closing. So when the mouth is closing, mean the trend is changing to reverse. Will be the opposite. So this one is a downward trend, and then this mouth is going narrow, and then so there's a chance that the trend will become upward trend. So you see now the orange go upward. What is interesting is the whole candle. This is a daily chart. This candle go above, way above this upper band. Okay, so basically they go above this area, this blue line. Okay, so it means the trend is very strong. So I want you to remember this is a daily chart. this trend is very strong. So let's see if they have a strong momentum to go above this resistance line around 30.6K, okay? So this is the Bollinger Bands. And then the next one I want to share with you is some news about the Bitcoin. So lately we have the Binance issue. So some Binance having some troubles because the SEC is trying to sue Binance for some ethical problem. And lately, BlackRock, one of the biggest asset management company, is files for the Bitcoin ETF, and also Invesco. Also, we apply for the Bitcoin ETF. This one is definitely one of our good news because those companies are safer. They have a stronger regulation to control. At least they don't collapse so easily, right? If you have experience with the FTX or other platform previously. So this is also another news is some Wall Street big company they are trying to build a cryptocurrency exchange platform. So that would be even better. So which company is going to do that? It's quite exciting news for me at least. So this three company, basically they're trying to build a platform for crypto. For me, trading is never a problem, but for me, the platform is a problem. It's one of the things that I cannot control. So I'm very happy if the regulation is doing better on crypto, and it will give us more confidence, at least for individual investor, give us more confidence to invest the money in the crypto. Do you agree with me? If yes, click like and subscribe and share with your friend and join my free email list. So this is my sharing today. I hope you liked today's video. And if you haven't watched the video about the moving average weekly 200, watch it back and watch the Bollinger Bands video also because it can help you to make a lot of money in the future. So learn it is free on my channel. So I see you in the next video. Bye bye.